Hey guys, welcome to my new another beginner tutorial. In this video we will talk about dashes and let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's go to pen tool and hold shift. Let's create one line and click selection tool. Okay, we have fill and stroke. Go to fill and let's select none for turn off inside color. Go to stroke width and let's change this 10. Also we can change here color. Click OK. So in this time let's open inside contents, shape 1 and stroke 1. And right now, as you can see here, dashes. Let's click this button for add dash or gap. Okay, so we have one dash and offset, and we can change dash like this. Okay, and for create animation, let's make new offset keyframe and go to 6 seconds. Change this 500. Let's see. Okay, or we can write here minus 500 for move to right. Very good. Or let me show other way. Let's close keyframes and hold alt. Let's click time icon for open expression and write here time 2500. And for done expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So with this we can create road animation with car. Select this shape layer and go to pen tool. Select this point, hold shift, move to left for change size. Also select this line, hold shift, change line. Let's again preview. Okay, and let's close settings. Select this car layer. Let's drag and drop compensation and press S. Change scale and move to here. Select this shape layer. Let's move to down. Select car, move to down like this. Okay, so select this shape layer. Let's write here offset. First go to directly offset and let's double click for edit expression. Let's add here minus. Let's see. Okay, so let's open dashes and change dashes like this. Let's delete this minus. So let's delete car. So let's change dashes like this. Let's preview animation. Okay, select shape layer 1 and go to pen tool. Hold this icon and select add vertex tool. Let's add one vertex here, one here, here, also here for more points. And click selection tool. And in this time select this point. Let's change like this. Okay, also we can change these points randomly like this. Okay, very nice. So guys, I'm gonna show how to make text animation with dashes. First go to text icon. Let's write here motion and click selection tool, change font size and go to align. Hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center and click selection tool. Let's go to align again, click this and this icon for move the text to center. So in this time select this motion. Let's right mouse and go to create and let's create shapes from text and select original text, delete, select the shape layer and go to fill. Let's select none, click OK and go to add. Let's add here stroke and open stroke 1. Change stroke width like this. Let's click this dashes icon and right now we can change dashes like this. And again let's hold alt. Let's create offset keyframe and write here expression time 1000. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Let's change this 200. Nice. So let's click again this button for add gap and we can change gaps like this for random animation. Okay, let's change dashes like this. Okay, that's good. And go to FS Press, search effect fill, select fill, let's use for text. And again, search effect glow, select glow, use for shape layer. And for hide these lines, let's click this icon and change glow settings. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.